Morning students, I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking second standard English subject. Today's topic is lesson number 6, The Adventures of Little Peachling. The Adventures of Little Peachling. We must always have love and respect for our elders. Yes, we must always respect for our elders. Let us read what little Peachling did to show his love for his parents. Now let us read the story and find out what little Peachling did to show his love for his parents. Let's read line by line. A long time ago, there lived an honest old woodcutter and his wife. A long time ago, a many years ago, a long time ago, there lived a honest. Honest means straightforward. Honest means straightforward. There lived a old cutter and his woodcutter and his wife. Long time ago, there lived an honest who speaks straightforward, old, very old woodcutter who cuts the wood is called as woodcutter and his wife. One day the wife found a peach floating down the stream. One day woodcutter's wife found a peach. One day woodcutter's wife found a peach. Meaning of peach is a kind of fruit. Meaning of peach is kind of a fruit. One day woodcutter's wife found a peach floating down the stream. Here meaning of floating is gliding. Meaning of floating is gliding. Floating down the stream. Stream means a small river. A small or a narrow river. One day woodcutter's wife found a peach. Peach means a kind of a fruit floating down the stream. Floating down from the stream. Stream means a small river which she took home for her husband to eat. Now woodcutter's wife take that peach to home for her husband to eat. She took that woodcutter's wife took that fruit, took that peach to home for her husband to eat. She took that peach for woodcutter for her husband to eat. The moment she served him the peach, it split open. The moment when she is serving the when she served the peach, that time the split open. Split means to divide or break into small. Peach it split open. Split means to divide or break into smaller groups. The moment she is going to serve that peach to her husband, that time the peach opens. That time the split opens. Inside there was a little baby boy. That time the peach split open and they found inside there was a little baby boy. In a peach they found a little baby boy. The old couple felt happy. Now the old couple felt very happy because they found a little baby boy in the peach and they felt happy and decided to bring him up as their own child. And both the old couple decided to bring him up as like their own child, treat him like as their own child. They named him Little Peachling. Now the old couple named him Little Peachling. The old couple named the little baby boy as a Little Peachling. because they had found him inside a peach. Why they named the little baby boy as a little peachling? Because they found inside a peach. The old couple found the baby boy inside the peach. So they named him as a little peachling. Little Peachling grew up into a strong and brave young man. Now the little Peachling grew up into a strong and brave young man. Now the little Peachling, which the old woodcutter and his wife found, now the little Peachling grew up into a strong and brave young man. One day he told his old parents that he wanted to go to the Ogress Island. Ogress Island. Now, little Peachling grew up as a strong and brave young man. So one day, little Peachling told to his old parents that now he wanted to Ogress Island. Meaning of ogre. Ogre is a large, frightening and cruel giant in children's story. A large, frightening and cruel giant in children's story. He wanted to go that island and want to defeat them and take away their treasure. So the little peachling wanted to defeat that ogre. So defeat means meaning of defeat is conquer or overpower and them and take away their treasure. Now he want to take their treasure back. Treasure means wealth and fortune. He requested his mother to make some milk dumplings. Here he requested the little peachling requested his mother to make some milk dumplings. Meaning of dumpling is a type of dish made from flour. A type of dish made from flour for his journey. So the little peachling requested his mother to make some dumplings for his journey. So for his journey he, he requested his mother to make me some food. He wanted to take that food for his journey. He requested his mother to make some milk dumplings. After an affectionate goodbye, he set off on his journey. After an affectionate, meaning of affectionate is loving and warm. After an loving and warm goodbye to his parents, he said loving goodbye to his parents. He set off on his journey. He moved to his journey. He moved. He after saying goodbye to his parents, now he started his journey. He set off on his journey. So students, the story of the adventures of the little peachling we will continue in our next class. Now it's time to take the homework. Write all the keywords from the lesson The Adventures of Little Peachling, page number 43. Write in your English class homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.